The sun is starting to set. It is October 31st, 2021. We've been coming here for 5 years, with the exception of last year with everything being crazy. The only time in the last 5 years that we have not visited Disney's Fort Wilderness Campground on Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody, and welcome to the world of Micah. Abby and I are visiting Trails Inn for the first time since it shut down.
Yeah, since 2019.
2019.
Yeah.
We're going to tell you guys exactly what we think of the food since they've changed it. It's no longer a buffet. It's a family-style skillet option, and we're going to be seeing some Halloween decorations. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, let's take a closer look. Gotta hop on the bus and head over towards the actual campgrounds. Now, in all indoor locations, including the buses, a mask is required. Definitely sad that they're not doing the Headless Horseman experience, the Return to Sleepy Hollow experience they have here. But I get it. Things are still a little wonky. Oh, hey, look. First golf cart I've seen tonight, all decked out for Halloween. Now, we definitely have some history here at the Fort Wilderness Campground. I actually proposed to Abby here in 2017 was when I proposed at the Tri-Circle D Ranch. This is the new Tri-Circle D Ranch. The one I proposed in was right over here. Completely destroyed. You can see the Contemporary in the background. But that was where it was. That's progress for you. Now there's a link right up here if you guys would like to see that video. We also visited the Headless Horseman, which is who I proposed in front of. Now there's also some rich history right here at Fort Wilderness. This is where the old railroad used to be. There actually used to be a railroad here at Fort Wilderness. And I came out here with my buddy from Retro WDW, and we found a lot of the spots from where that old railroad used to sit. Now it is tradition here at Fort Wilderness for everyone to kind of dress up their golf cart if they have a golf cart here on property or they're renting one. As you can see, a lot of people get into this. It's a cool tradition. And not only do people dress up their golf carts here, but they dress up their entire campground. Look at this. So when you go trick-or-treating, you will be greeted with all kinds of crazy decorations. That's wonderful. They got a little fire going right here. We've got Oogie Boogie, little Oogie Boogie, Jack Skellington here, Mickey and Friends. Wow, look at these projections down here. I love this. They've done a swell job on these decorations all through here. These are different families, and they all dress up their campers in their own little spots, and you can walk around and go trick-or-treating. And they have a little photo op over here. Look at that, the Disneyland pumpkin. And there's an inflatable right over there. I love this. See, when I think of Halloween, this is what I think of. Inflatables, decorations, lights, spooky music, everything. This is great. Even the scariest thing of them all, Cinderella. Oh, this is wonderful. Look, we got some ghosts here. Jack Skellington. This is great. And they've got some pumpkins over here that are singing along to Grim Grimming Ghost. Look at that. That's pretty impressive. Glad to see these two are finally getting along. This is pretty easy. You just kind of walk up and down the different trails where all the campers are. People are on foot. People are on golf carts. It's pretty awesome. Pretty easy trick-or-treating out here. Look at this golf cart. It has eyes. All right, so I think so far this one is the most impressive. Oh man, these guys have gone all out with this. Look at this. Wow. That is awesome. That's the way they walk to their camper every night. I love it. It's the Count. I am the Count. He's just popping up to say hello. Go to sleep, buddy. Go to sleep. See you later. Good night. Oh, wow, look at that. We have Ursula here, a Coco inflatable here, and I scream for ice cream. I bet this guy does. Next to Olaf is Darth Vader. That's a pretty big Vader. Oh, lots of characters over here, man. This is wild. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna start over here first with these pumpkins. Look at this. All the different characters here. I'm seeing so many different characters carved in these pumpkins. That is cool. And we have some inflatables over here. I love the Sally. And candy corn. Do you guys like candy corn? Comment below if you like candy corn or not. I personally like candy corn. I think it's pretty good. This is great. Whoa, these are great. I didn't know they made some blow molds over here. We got a Jack and Sally blow mold. More inflatables. Some lights right here. This is wonderful, man. I love this. So much Star Wars. It's great. They keep adding to these inflatables. It seems like every year they're coming out with something new. Wow, these guys are continuing this. Okay, so these guys must have gone in together because it all continues down and connects here. And once you finish a section, you can literally cross the street, and they have cast members here aiding you in crossing the street. This is great. We're gonna go over across and see what these guys have. Got a Hocus Pocus themed golf cart right here, and lots of Nightmare Before Christmas. The one thing I love about the Nightmare Before Christmas is after Halloween, you can continue to watch it on to Christmas. That broom seems to be moving on its own. They have a little pet cemetery over here. Some jack-o'-lanterns in the back there, the blow molds. Oh, actually, you know what's funny? Abby and I have that ghost right there and that little pumpkin right there in our house. Speaking of Hocus Pocus, look at it, the Sanderson sisters are here. I knew they would be here. We have some Disney's past haunts here. Look at that, Wonders of Life, World of Motion, the Studio Backlot Tour, Star Jets, Maelstrom, Star Tours, If You Had Wings, Horizons, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, River Country, Snow White Scary Adventure, Fort Wilderness Railroad. See, they're talking about the railroad I mentioned. The Skyway over here, and Pleasure Island. The only one I'm not seeing on here that kind of bums me out is the Great Movie Ride. We got some more singing pumpkins over here. Wow, you step inside here. They've recreated the Haunted Mansion in here. Look at that, there's Madame Leota right there. Wow, welcome foolish mortals. And look at this. Where all the birds sing words and the flowers croon, it's the Tiki room. They've recreated the Tiki room here. This is unbelievable. Look, even all the birds got dressed up. This is unreal. I can't believe they did this. Unreal. Wow. Look at this. Walt would love this. The Enchanted Tiki Broom. I just saw that. It's the Enchanted Tiki Broom. Just noticed this sign right here. Kind of digging that. And Abby just pointed this out. She thinks this is like every year they've had Mickey and Minnie just in different costumes. Look at that. That's so cool. Look at this. This camper right here has some evil spirits inside. This is probably the best golf cart I've seen all night. Look at this. Fog machine attached. This is great. Witch on the broom, look at her flying. And I've stepped into Salem on Halloween night with the Sanderson sisters, Billy Butcherson over here, Thackeray Binks, and Emily Binks. Wow, look at this. Some of Winifred's potions, the spell book. Look at that, it's the brew. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Oh look, Jay and Ice. That's what happened to them. That's insane, and they're watching the film on the big screen right here. I love this. I just feel like I stepped into the Pirates of the Caribbean attraction at Magic Kingdom. Look at this. They're dunking him. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Right next to the Sanderson sisters in Salem is Pirates of the Caribbean. Who knew that they were all friends? They're neighbors. Pretty impressive, man. Pirates of the Caribbean here. Look at that. Strike your colors. I love it. Look at that, silver shamrock is here. It's almost time, kids. This is wonderful, man. So much going on. The Monster Mash playing. It's officially Halloween. When you hear the Monster Mash playing, it is officially Halloween. And the weather tonight is perfect. A little chilly. Had to wear a jacket tonight. That just makes it feel a little cozier to me. So we got the bonfire happening over here. What do you think?
It's so cool. I mean,
it's so cool, right?
We definitely miss this,
Yeah.
and it is on our bucket list to stay here and during Halloween and get to trick or treat. Well, pass out candy, you know.
Yeah.
But it's so cool. We definitely missed it.
Definitely on the list of things to do.
Yes, but
This is Halloween.
It is. It definitely is. And like you just said, the weather is perfect. Unseasonably Florida weather.
And in a galaxy far, far away, this family decided to make Rise of the Resistance. Look at this. They've like created Batu over here. That's crazy. That's their golf cart.
That looks so cool.
How incredible is that? Great job. Guess we did make it to Halloween Town this year. Wow, look at that. The stretching room, the portraits are over here.
Happy Halloween.
Hello, happy Halloween. Yeah, this is pretty awesome.
Took us 6 months to draw everything.
That's great.
Thank you.
Small World Souvenirs on Instagram.
Really hard on it.
Well, looking at all these decorations has definitely made me hungry. I think it's time for us to go eat at Trails End. I can't believe we're back. Pioneer Hall, Trails End. All right, and when you walk in, look, Crockett's Tavern's still here. But when you are seated, it is family style. So we are seated here. Right over here is where the buffet used to be. So here you guys can scan the dinner QR code and see what the dining selections are. It is family style, so they will bring everything to the table. So they bring you a whole basket of bread. We have cornbread in here, we have biscuits, we have hush puppies, pimento cheese spread here. Now this is the bacon vinaigrette salad dressing for the salad here. And then we also have, hiding over here, is the honey butter. Look at the paper here. It's the e-tickets, all the different tickets. That's amazing for the 50th. So far, had a little bit of salad so I could try the dressing here. It's pretty good. Definitely has a bacon kick. And there is a plant-based option here. It's a vinaigrette that Abby had. So far on the bread, I think our favorite, even though we do love the cornbread, because you get the honey butter with it. But the hush puppies and the pimento cheese together has been a hit. So they brought everything on the skillet here. And I've got all the different meats, and veggies, and corn. They do have a tangy barbecue sauce and a regular barbecue sauce. But this is how the family style is. Well, I'm a little disappointed. We gotta have a talk. So we left. We gotta have a little chit chat. So I know times are different. You know, Fort Wilderness has always been a special place to me and Abby. We've been coming here for a little over 6, maybe 7 years, and we've been coming here for the last 5 years for Halloween. Now I know how these things work. The busier the night is, the crazier the things are, but the food was just not good. It was cold, was not the good, warm food that we always get from Trails End. And it's okay. Look, the buffet's not here. It's family style, but I just couldn't eat cold meat. The bread was cold when they brought it out, and I was like, you know what, it's okay, it's just bread. But then when I got the skillet and everything on that was not warm, I just couldn't do it. Talked to the manager. She was super kind, totally understood what we were saying. And it's okay, we're just gonna take a break from Trails End right now. Not a forever break, it's just not what we know. And the reason we were optimistic about it is because we always go to Whispering Canyon, and that's family style. And that skillet and everything has always been wonderful. So we thought, hey, we'll eat here. It's our tradition, Halloween. But it was not what we thought. Now, our experience could totally be different from your experience. Just fair warning you on what our experience was. I kind of wish this wasn't on Halloween, but I feel like that is kind of what is to expect right now. The manager was kind of explaining that to us, like this is what it is right now. So we're not gonna let that ruin our fun, not gonna let that spoil. We've had a lot of treats tonight. I guess that was the trick, but it's okay. We had a wonderful Halloween. Saw some amazing displays here. You guys, you families that come out here to Fort Wilderness, you guys make this. This is why we come out here, to see these amazing displays and get some yummy food. So it's okay, we're okay. I just wanted to tell you guys why I didn't show the dessert, why it was a quick in and out of that restaurant. I try not to fluff a lot in my videos. I try to be really truthfully honest in my videos. So this was just a mediocre meal. That's all I'm gonna say. But it's okay. It's okay. We're gonna take a little break and we're gonna revisit it later on, hopefully when it gets the buffet back. But nonetheless, we had a wonderful, wonderful Halloween. And I hope you and your family had a wonderful Halloween as well. Can't believe it's over. One of my favorite days of the year has come and gone. But I think we took care of business here today at Disney's Fort Wilderness Campgrounds, which means it's time to say goodbye. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please click the thumbs up button. The next time you're here at Fort Wilderness, tell them World of Micah sent you. I'll see you guys on the next adventure. Until then, stay weird. Happy Halloween 2021. Goodbye.